Hi, I'm Mike from AutoFix. In this video, I'm going to test out the brand new BT1 with this BMW. For basic testing, check out our other videos on the AutoFix YouTube channel. This test will be for when a battery is replaced. It's necessary to test the new battery to make sure everything is working properly before driving off. So tap Battery Replace on the device. Follow the instructions on the screen to take out the old battery and install the new battery. Place the clamps on the new battery and input the battery information. This battery's information is labeled on the battery as AGM CSA 950. Then run a test. The test comes up good. You can view the results as a PDF or email it to your customer or yourself. The report automatically saves in Data Manager for you to retrieve at any time. I'm Mike, and I hope this video helped you navigate the challenges of replacing a battery. For more videos on the BT1, check out the AutoFix YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.